So you're packing up your drone and you're looking for a way to safely transport the batteries for that drone, other than the one that obviously is probably on it. Well, that's where these come in. This is from a company, Arzroic. Essentially, these are a battery-safe, flame-resistant bag that you can put a lithium-ion battery in for safe transport or safe keeping, safe storage. So let's take a peek at it. So we're going to bring it in here in a second, but thank you for coming by to techgooch for another video review. And this is a lithium polymer bag. It's a safe storage / transport bag for lithium-ion batteries. In this case, these are specifically designed for the battery for the Mavic Air 2. They also offer them for the Mavic 2s, the Pro series, as well as the Mavic Minis, or the Minis. So these are specific to the Air 2, and they're just a bag that houses the battery and allows you to, well, place them wherever you need to place them in their little storage bag. But it's a safe bag. So let's bring it in and take a peek a little bit closer, and that way you can see what it looks like. So it comes in a 3-pack. For obviously when you buy the Flatmore Combo, you're going to get 3 batteries anyway. So it does come with 3. So if you want to take the one off the drone, you can put one in one of these bags as well. They claim them to be fireproof, explosion-proof, whatever, tear and puncture resistant. And I would say on both of those, or most of those, yes. Some of them a little extravagant in the claims, but yeah, they are pretty well made. They're made out of a fiberglass material that you can actually see in here. So it fits the battery well. It's a little loose, right? There is some air room around it. I wish maybe it would be a little tighter, but then again, it is a bag, not a hard case, so it does flatten out. More than anything, I'm using these for traveling, so they're going in a bag or a carry-on or whatever. So these, I want them to conform and squeeze down and fit in small spaces that I kind of have throughout the bag. I used 2 of these on my trip. I left the other one on the drone, but I do have a third one. It does come in, like I said, pack of 3. $17 is what it costs for the Air 2s, which actually is funny. These are more expensive than the Mavic Pro series. The Pro 2s are like $16, and the Mavic Minis are like $15. So $1 more, but whatever. They fit really well, and of course, I guess it's a newer drone. That's probably why more than anything else. But if they, like I said, they fit the battery really well, and they do exactly what they're supposed to, and they just kind of help protect. You hope that you would never have a need for this, but if you have it, you probably will never need the need. So, but yeah, the fabric itself is definitely puncture resistant. I mean, it's pretty solid stuff. It's solid stuff, and I hope that it's as flame retardant as they claim. Boy, that'd be maybe that's a video I should do. What do you think? Let me know if you think I should take the third one here that I probably won't ever use and do a destructive test. That'd be kind of cool, huh? I've never done a destructive test. Maybe that'll be the first on the channel. But yeah, that is the Arzroic battery safe bags. So I'm not going to sit here and claim that, oh yeah, these are definitely 100% bomb-proof, not waterproof, but fireproof and all this stuff, because I haven't actually utilized it for that purpose, but they are, you can feel that they are designed that way at least. So if nothing else, these are way better than putting them in just your standard storage bag, or just in the Mavic bag, the carrying bag that came with your drone. So that's a plus, and it just makes you, carrying, especially if you go TSA or stuff like that, I think they're going to appreciate you, or at least stepping into making sure that the batteries are traveling safe. Because if you travel with these outside of a bag like this, you got to make sure that nothing's gonna make contact with these contacts down here that actually would cross and cause the battery to actually burst into flames. Or in this case, you don't want to go into a situation where someone's going to puncture the battery and do the same thing. So I bought these myself. I'm definitely keeping them, and I might do that with the third one down the road. Be kind of a fun little video to do. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, post those below. Head over to techgooch.com if you have more direct questions. Otherwise, comment, like, subscribe, and we'll catch you back here on techgooch for another future video review. We'll see you soon.